elevation vehicle, southbound. It's going to be our sensor, no mark, and all headings. And now we'll call in with Hellfire heading. Apex 01 is in, Hellfire heading 213. And continue drive rate, Apex 01. 11 away, time of flight, 43 seconds. Apex 01 has flash. And Apex 01 has good effect, and we're not seeing any scores at this time. Yeah, we've still got time on station. We can go and knock out a buddy leads, and we'll probably do a crew swap. And Apex 01 copies, hog flight's going to be in below us. And Apex 01 has you 5x5. And Apex 01, yeah, we can talk you onto the target. It's looking like a racetrack at the grids given. And Apex is tally on the two standalone buildings on the north end of the racetrack. Apex 01 copies, we will be the buddy, you will be the shooter. We'll remain in the overhead, and you expect you on the east to west run-in. And we're going to be laser code 1642, and we'll expect your 10-second laser on call. Apex 01 copies. And Venom for Apex, we're looking at the two standalone buildings. Do you have a priority on which building needs to be taken out? We got one with a square one with two garage bay doors open, and there's a rectangular building. In Apex 01 copies, the rectangular building, do you have a specific spot on the building you want us to laser? Copy, center of mass, thank you. Lasing 1642. And Apex 01 is seeing good effects on the rectangular building, center of mass, and no quarters. And Venom, was it last transmission for Apex 01? Okay, stand by. Alright, he's selecting a different input right now.
Go ahead for Apex 01. Sorry, I stepped on you there. Yeah, for DLOs, just trying to get a sortie count up the month, and it is a new pilot swap in. So generic lines are good, that'll be fine. Yeah, just get some weapon count, kind of sortie out of it. Copy, Wilco, stand by. Copy that, we're inventorying the weapons and all that stuff, and stand by just a minute, I'll let you know when we're ready. Then Apex 01, ready to go with game plan. Alright, Apex copies all, 250 feet, 18 Tango Uniform Papa, 7851, 1289, and East 4 Eclipse, clear with marks and restrictions. Apex copies all, center mass, and we'll call them restrictions are running. Apex 01. Apex 01 copies, stand by. Apex 01 copies, got a good handshake, and it's center mass of that building that the red vehicle is parked by. And Venom, Apex 01 will be in from the east in 10 seconds. Yeah, Apex 01 is in, time to release 2 minutes, 40 seconds. Apex 01 is in, heading 270. Apex 01. And simulated one away, 30 seconds. Apex copies. And simulated splash, Apex 01. Apex 01 copies, keep eyes on the vehicle. Apex 01 copies, same 9-line with Hellfire on this red vehicle. Apex 01 and 270 head. Apex 01. And one away, 20 seconds. Add simulated splash for Apex 01. No, re-attack while it's moving would be a good idea for Apex 01. And Apex copies all. Apex 01 and heading 180. Apex 01. Rifle 23 seconds. Apex 01 splash. And good effects for Apex 01. That's affirmative. We have a GBU-38 on board for Apex 01. Ready game plan, 9-line for Apex 01. Apex copy, Obama on coordinates, elevation 381 feet, 18 Tango, Uniform Papa 79280, 10617, south 4 kilometers. Go ahead with the march restriction. Apex copies CED, no factor, running restrictions, or no running restrictions, and we'll call back with system coordinates. And VENOM, Apex 01, system read back, 18 Tango Uniform Papa, 792-801-0617-381. And VENOM, Apex 01, in heading 261. Copy, continue dry, Apex 01. And Apex 01, one away, 30 seconds. One away, 22 seconds for Apex 01. And splash for Apex 01, good effects. Apex 01 copies. And VENOM, Apex 01, we've got one golf cart shaped vehicle and a couple of packs. Looks like they're armed with long metal rods. Apex 01 copies, don't need a new landmine. And copy the Hellfire. No, we're good to go. Re-attack Hellfire. Do you want the vehicle or the pack? Copy, vehicle stationary, so we'll select the pack. Apex 01. Apex 01's in, heading 270. Apex copies, continue drive. And one away, 22 seconds. The pack can walk back to the golf cart, so we're shifting our point. And splash, Apex 01. Pack's moved away from the vehicle, so he's focused on the pack. Affirmative, we have good effects. We still have one Hellfire left. Apex 01 copies. And VENOM, Apex 01. Didn't find any movers. We found two more packs out in the open. How about we watch until they get back together and start moving, and we'll roll in then. Yeah, once I see them join back together, we'll call in with direction. And let's head back to the car, Apex 01, and heading Apex 01. 30 seconds, Apex 01. Apex 01 splash, good effects, and we are Winchester. And for Apex 01, I'm going to be swapping out with the other crew member. Thanks for your help, guys. I appreciate it.
VENOM for Apex 01. And I got you to 5x5, and unfortunately, I think we are just about timed out. We got to do a hand back at 19Z. So I think we're going to go ahead and terminate this for now, and we're going to be RTD. Oh, we definitely did after we got through some of the buffoonery, getting the handover and everything. Everything else worked out great. You guys killed it. Roger, I happen to be the guy that scheduled CT events, so you guys will see us again.